Hey everyone, it's Max Van with Racer Gloves USA, and today I'm going to talk about the Racer Guide Glove. Alright, so I've been working at Sportbike track here full-time throughout the past 5 years of my life. Started when I was 14, I'm 19 years old now, and let's just say in my day, I have tried on a ton of gear. I can call myself a gear geek, but I've tried on a ton of boots, gloves, helmets, suits, anything you may, think of. But in those gloves, I have tried on a ton of race gauntlet gloves, street gloves, and waterproof gloves. And I would say in the street glove category, I've yet to try on something as comfortable as the guide right here. A nitpick thing for a lot of riders is they hate feeling the seams on the inside of the gloves. That is me too. It can get in your fingernails, especially for longer rides, and those street guys out there. But yeah, so with the guide, it almost has some sort of a silk liner on the inside to where you do not feel the seams basically whatsoever. It is awesome. And on the palm here, it says, if you can see that, Tom, maximum comfort. And let's just say we are not lying. Protection wise, it has the Knox SPS palm sliders, same as on our Hyper. I have tested these out a few times now and they have worked great. Good perforation throughout the glove. Of course, reinforced where the palm sliders are. Good perforation. This glove is the all-around perfect street glove, and again, especially for longer rides, and it has the protection that you need. We are running a heavy sale on these happening within the next week or so, which I am super excited to announce to you guys. But these come in the two colorways, white, black, and an all black. So get these while you can. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy to answer, or you can email me at max@racerglovesusa. Have a great day, guys.